Hi everybody, welcome back to Ask AJ. I'm AJ Hanna and I'm here to answer your questions and to talk about robotic process automation and intelligent automation. If you can see the ball behind me, you can see I'm at Epcot at the Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando, Florida, taking a little time off with my family. And it made me think about one of the claims that you hear often about RPA software is they works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and they never ask for time off and they never get sick. Well, for the most part, that's true. The technology is very stable, and in and of itself, it will operate uninterrupted for as long as you need it to. But the reality is, just like with your human workforce, your digital workforce can be affected by the things around it. A lot of people have the misimpression that this is set it and forget it technology. It's not. Your bots need care and maintenance just like your human associates do. If you change something that would require that you train your human associates how to do the process in a different way than they've done it before, you have to do the same thing to the robot. So it's important that you have a solid maintenance plan. It's important that you have great change control, not just cultural change management, but control over changes in the operating environment, and that you have a solid program to understand all the things that can affect your digital workforce in the same way that they can affect your human workforce. If you have a question for me, you can send it to me at askaj@symphonyhq.com. Follow the YouTube channel, Ask AJ, and follow me on Facebook and Twitter, Ask AJ Hanna, no H on the end. Thanks for joining.